Today we're going to learn how to raster images into a mosaic in ArcMap. So first thing I have done is followed the unzipping instructions and downloaded all of the images to my desired folder on my computer. Now I have all of my images easily accessible. The first thing that I'm going to do is to create a new file geodatabase. So we'll do that where our images are housed, and we'll go to New File Geodatabase. So you can create the new file geodatabase and name it accordingly. I have named mine Mosaic. So we have our Mosaic Geodatabase here, and the first geoprocessing tool we're going to run is going to be Create Mosaic Data Set. So you can find that inside of your toolbar. Create Mosaic Dataset. The output location will be the geodatabase that you just created, so you can navigate to your Mosaic Geodatabase and connect it there. You can name your Mosaic database accordingly, and make sure that the correct coordinate system is also matching the corresponding input of imagery. Simply click OK, and you have your new Mosaic dataset. It will show the boundary and the footprint that contains the images. The next geoprocessing tool that you're going to run is called Add Rasters to Mosaic Dataset. The Mosaic dataset that you will select will be the geodatabase and dataset that you just created. The raster type will be a raster dataset, and your input data will actually be the folder. So we can select the dataset and add the sources of our images. Simply click OK. And now your rasters will add to your Mosaic dataset. The size of this depends on the length of time. So larger datasets will take a little bit longer, smaller datasets will take a little bit shorter. But now you have successfully added rasters and created a Mosaic dataset and stitched together tiles of Nearmap offline imagery.